Hi, math lovers. Many will get wrong answer. I will tell you where. We have to solve this equation and find the value of x. To solve this equation, for left side we have fractions, right? We have to find the lowest common multiple, which is 2 in this case. Both fractions have 2 as denominator. We need to subtract only numerators. We have x minus 1 for first fraction minus, so here we have x plus 1, right? This is where everybody makes mistakes. They're writing x plus 1. But this is very wrong. You have to make this whole thing inside of parentheses because you are subtracting the whole thing, not only x. I hope you understand and you're not gonna do this mistake. Equals to, same thing here. We have 5 minus this fraction. We can make 5 as fraction too. And to have lowest common multiple, I will make this fraction 5 over 1 to have denominator 4. I will multiply both numerator and denominator with 4. So now both fractions have 4. So my denominator for this right side will be 4. 4 times 5. Now you have to subtract only numerators. 4 times 5 is 20. Minus, again, don't do these mistakes. X plus 2. No, this must be inside of parentheses. This is very, very important. Now we will distribute, open the parentheses. For this left side, we have 2 for denominator. And for numerator, we have x minus 1. If we have minus in front of parentheses, all numbers or unknowns will change their sign when we open the parentheses. This is like another way, let me explain you, like minus 1 times. We have to multiply minus 1 with x and minus 1 with positive 1. So we will have minus 1 times x is minus x, minus 1 times positive 1 will be negative 1. Equals to, same thing for right side. We have 4 for denominator, 20 minus x minus 2. Whatever we have inside the parentheses, they will change their sign when you have minus in front of the parentheses. This is where everybody makes mistake. I hope you learn this and you're not gonna do this mistake. So now let's combine like terms. Again, numerator, we have x and negative x. They will cross out. Minus 1 will be minus 2 for numerator. For denominator, we have positive 2. Equals to, here, like terms, 20 and 2, right? 20 minus 2 will be 18. Minus x, there is no more x to combine, divided by 4. Minus 2 divided positive 2 will be negative 1. Instead of bringing this whole fraction to left side and subtract, I can cross multiply this denominator with minus 1. So we will escape from denominator. 4 times minus 1 will be minus 4 equals to 18 minus x. Now we have one-step equation to find our x. Let's bring 18 to the left side. When it passes this equal sign, positive will become negative. They always change their sign when they pass the equal sign. So we will have negative 4 minus 18 equals to minus x. Let's continue this side. Let's rewrite again. Minus 4 minus 18 equals to minus x. If you have both numbers negative, you subtract, answer is always negative. But we add the numbers, this will be negative 22. I will explain you why. When we have number line, imagine this is 0, this is my 1, 2, 3, 4, let's say here. My negative 4, right? Subtracted 18. Negative 4 minus 18. If we subtract, we go left side. From 4, if I go, imagine left side 18 more, I will land on negative 22. That's why when we have both negative numbers, we subtract. Answer is always negative, but we add the numbers. So in this case, now we have negative in front of x. We can divide by negative 1 both sides. If there is nothing, this can be negative 1 right in front. Negative 22 divided by negative 1 will be positive 22. When we divide or multiply same signs, either positive or both negative, answer is positive. Equals to, here, this negative ones will cross out, we will have only x. But in math, we always write unknown in front. X equals to 22. This is the solution for this beautiful equation. I hope you learn a lot. Never do this mistake. Never forget these parentheses. Always put them when you subtract fraction, and on numerator you have addition, 2 terms, not only one unknown or one number. Thank you for following. Please comment, like, and subscribe.